So DocseraDB is all about external data sources. They can be Excel workbooks, Access databases, Outlook contacts, or SQL databases. And any of those sources can be stored locally on your own computer or on your business's network, or even accessed remotely in the cloud. The most simple approach here is going to ask for two pieces of information in the questionnaire. So it's going to ask me for the date of the shareholders meeting. That's going to happen next month. So let's say that's 5/15/2017. And then it asks me for the name of the recipient of this letter. Because this form is linked up to my Excel spreadsheet, all I need to do is click the Fetch button to choose a recipient's name, and I get my list of recipients. This has reached right out into my Excel spreadsheet. I don't even have Excel running at the moment, but DocseraDB is able to reach out into that Excel spreadsheet file, seek out exactly the information it needs, which is the list of potential recipients, and present it to me here in my Word program. Let's suppose in this case that I want to send a letter to Ed Evans at Gadget Company, and I'll click OK. And just given that little bit of information, when I click Fill, the form goes out and extracts all the additional information it needs from the data source. It pulls in all the information I need about Ed himself. It pulls in information about the company to which Ed belongs, including the list of officers for that company. It knows that the president of that company is female, so it fixes my pronoun here, and it knows Fran Ferguson is the secretary of that company. All of that from just a single selection in the questionnaire. Let's say I'm creating letters for Widget World, and I click OK. Given just that one selection, when I click the Fill button, it goes again out into the Excel spreadsheet and restricts itself to showing me only the individuals who are associated with the Widget World company. I click OK, and here is my first letter to Gary Grant, letter number 2 to Helen Hopper, letter number 3 to Inez, and letter number 4 to John. All 4 letters done, and there's my results folder with the results. Let's just open one of these letters to take a look. Just as expected, there's my letter to Gary with all the appropriate information about Widget World, the appropriate secretary's name, and so forth. All 4 letters in one shot.